If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Today is Farm Friday, which means on Friday, and I mean every Friday, is kind of like a farm day. It's where we focus more on things we need to get done or big projects we need to finish. It's all put on Friday. So other than feeding animals and getting small chores done, we are going to be taking you guys along with us as we finish up some projects, we get some big stuff done. Let's say, for example, fueling up all of our vehicles, making sure everything is nice and ready for next week, because also we do have some rain coming, so we are going to kind of get prepared for that. And then I think the following week we have snow coming.
Yes.
So we got rain and snow, so we got to prepare for those too. All right, we got a lot of work to do. Let's start this Farm Friday. For the cows in the sacrifice zone. We are gonna go and fuel up the side-by-side and all our four-wheelers. We're gonna head over to the diesel tank and we're gonna do the side-by-side first, and then we're gonna do both four-wheelers with the gas cans in the shop. So I'm at our diesel tank right now. We do fill up our trucks with this diesel tank because it is highway diesel as well. But I'm gonna start filling up the Kubota first, and we're gonna head over to the four-wheelers and we're gonna fill them up. I know. It doesn't really need fuel. Yeah, we filled it last Friday. It doesn't really need fuel. We're kind of full already. Okay, Kubota is done. Now we're gonna head over to our green four-wheeler. We're gonna fill that up, and then we're gonna fill our red one up. So right about now, my sister is going to go over and she's going to start dragging the horse paddock and the cow paddock, because that does need to be done today. So our mom just got done putting all the hay out. Now we do have to check the oil on the tractor, so Madison is going to do that real quick. Okay, yep, it's low. Okay, so the tractor does need oil, we just checked it, but our dad is gonna come do it for us, and he's gonna fill up the tires for us so we can go do some other stuff. What are you doing? Hi. Alright, right about now, we are just going to check the chicken coops, make sure they're okay, because there is rain and snow coming. So we got to make sure they're clean, they don't stink, and we're just giving chickens water.
Sam! I'm doing it! Finally holding him.
You got your rooster?
Black one. And then baby. There we go. Can you see me?
Yeah.
I love how they all follow.
Also, a little update, we made some new nesting boxes since our chickens just started laying. And here they are. We think they're really cute.
Now keep this down. This way.
Let me just do this. Okay, I'm just gonna finish fluffing this, and then Maddie and our sister are gonna come in and we're gonna fill all the tubes with chicken food.
Check it out. Devin, here.
Oh.
These go on top.
Okay, thank you.
Gandhi's sister, what are you doing?
Built this. Right? Alright, we are literally done with filling chicken food and waters and checking coops. Right about now, we have to go over and we got to spread out the rabbit poop in the garden because it's like fertilizer for our garden. We do collect it in little buckets below their cage. And then we're going to kind of pick up some stuff because it is going to rain soon. So we're going to kind of prepare for the rain. And then we're going to see what we have to do next. And look who came. Daddy Warbucks. Where'd he go? Daddy! What are you doing? Did you hear we have food? Yeah.
I love that.
He's like, okay, bye.
Look at his hair. He has a mullet.
He's got a mullet. He does. But before we go and see what we got to do next, we're going to go check on the new baby. And we're going to go see how she's doing. Really? Hi, baby. Hello. They're all cuddled up in their little hay bed. You two look very cozy. Okay. Okay, so we can take these out and then just dump this and we're gonna go bring this somewhere. That would be so much easier. Hello. Hello, Chase. You hear the piglets screaming? Okay, so here are our little buckets under our rabbit huts. They collect all the poop for us so then we can go fertilize our garden.
Yes.
So right about now, we're just gonna put them all in this little wheelbarrow we got and we're gonna just spread it all out in the garden.
And we put heavy things inside of them so they do not blow away when the wind picks up.
Exactly. Hey, what are you doing?
Eat. I heard we had a buffet.
Food. Is it too heavy to pick up or? No, no, no! Ah!
Not my.
I think there's rabbit urine all in here.
Okay, can't go that way.
So it is 45 degrees right now, but it's also windy, so it adds an extra coldness in the air for us. Now, I know some of you guys want winter to end, but I personally don't.
I know, I like it.
Okay, we might need a rake. Look at the pigs, they're all staring at us. What, guys? Yeah, that looks much nicer. we're done.
Good to go.
We're gonna have to like severely wash our hands now.
Well, luckily I wore gloves.
Oh. Of course I didn't wear gloves. We gotta see the piglets first. Come here, May. Hello! I think they want love. Hi, guys. Way too step. You are my favorite. Oh my gosh. This piggy love going around. Look at that. Look at that face. Oh. Tofu.
You're my favorite. My shoulder all muddy from holding that pig.
Okay. So I'm just quickly feeding Scarlett real quick because I didn't get a chance to do that this morning. Madison has to go do a not so fun job. She's got to go take trash to the dumpster. Hi. And then our dad is gonna come home. I forgot to mention where he was. He's picking up straw and I believe chaff hay and bringing it to the house because, well, we need to stock up on straw and it's gonna rain and it's gonna snow, so we're just getting prepared. So when he comes home, he's gonna come do the oil on the tractor, do the tire, and then we gotta go out and do a big project, which me and Maddie are gonna help him with. You're so silly. Look at you. Uh-huh. He has food all over his nose. So right now I'm gonna go inside. We're gonna get some water and stuff. But we are cooking a bean soup right now. I thought I'd show you guys. Here's all the pork we're gonna put in it. This is actually pork from pigs we just butchered recently on our farm. So it's really cool to know what we're eating, where it's from, instead of buying stuff from the store, which does not taste as good, I'll say that. So yeah, the beans that we're gonna put in it were soaked in whey protein, so this is gonna taste delicious. Now, we normally do food prep on Monday, but this bean soup does contribute to our farm Friday because tomorrow is our Sabbath, and like I said, we do have snow in the forecast. Now, being a big family, we always cook in large amounts. We also freeze some for those hard days when we don't feel like cooking. But overall, we now have a home-cooked meal ready to go for the rest of the week. We're gonna real quick treat Mumble, all the cats, and the dogs, because that is something that has to be done today. All right, Mumble, you're free to go. We found our other victim. So yeah, we do treat all of our animals for ticks and any other bugs. And it really works. It works really well. Is that good? Yeah? Okay.
See how it says avocado?
Yeah, this all avocado.
Good boy. Good boy. What's in my hand? So my dad just got home with straw. We have to go unload it. And then I believe we're gonna go take a bag of shavings and put it in the barn just to prepare us for the rain that's coming, so we don't have to come out onto the porch and get shavings in the rain. And I'm about to go over to Maddie because she is feeding Formosa right now. Are you feeding that cute baby? Oh, Formosa. Hello. She says, I got my baba.
You can't take it with you.
Oh. starting to rain. We're doing good. We're making good time. All we gotta do is go scrape out that hut down there where the cows lay in, because when the rain comes, we don't want it to become even more wet than it already is. And then we just gotta put straw up and we gotta put chaff hay up in the garage. That's basically it. My dad is a very, very good teacher, I will say that. I'm still new to this whole switching out buckets thing, but he is really good at hand signals and stuff. Because, I mean, every farm kid deals with their parents' hand signals, and my dad's are spot on. Alright, we got that bucket on. We got Maple sleeping over there. Now, I think there are girls in that hut, because I can see, like, little bodies. Uh-huh. What are you girls doing? Y'all gotta get up. Come on, Elias. Go on. There we go. Looks a lot nicer and it'll dry out faster. It's not under a bunch of wet straw, so we're all set. It's just gonna sit and it's gonna dry out now. Today's practically done. Today was a good Farm Friday. We just got a few things left and then we're all good to go for tomorrow. Alright, we're gonna head over to the barn and we're gonna start stacking the straw in the barn. Let's go. Good. She parked good this time. That is one way to do it. Because I carried 2 by 2 and then one. Alright, well, we are beat. We are sweaty. Basically everything is done. We are all set and prepared for this rain that is coming. And we're going to end the video here. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Yes.
If you did, please like and subscribe. And we will see you guys in the next one.
Bye!